Viewers, we are live and breaking. I'm Shivangi Shukla getting you the latest coming in. Jammu railway station on alert after pigeon with IED blast threat caught near the Indo-Pakistan international border. The BSF has caught a pigeon. Now we are coming to know this is the area of Araspura with a paper tied to its leg. The paper tied to the pigeon reads Jammu station IED blast. Jammu Kashmir police was informed of this threat by the BSF after the pigeon was caught. Railway station was put on big and high alert following this threat through the pigeon. And the paper also had Kashmir Hamara hai and Waqt aa gaya hai, aa jayega written in Urdu. So back to back updates coming in right now. Security has been stepped up, viewers. High alert after we see that the BSF caught a pigeon along the international border in the Ranbirpura sector, and we see that there was a little paper which was attached to the pigeon threatening the IED blast in the coming days. So you can see the picture coming in on the screen. That is a pigeon. I repeat, that is that pigeon that already has been caught with a bomb threat note attached to it. And like we're telling our viewers, it just didn't have the bomb threat note. It also had many other statements, and it said very clearly Jammu station IED blast. It also said that Kashmir Hamara hai, Waqt aa gaya hai, aa jayega. Okay, let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us. So we have with us Gursimran who's joining us live right now. Gursimran, this is very, very important for our viewers to understand, how big of a threat level this is, because we know security has been stepped up and security drills are being conducted. But do the security forces, the BSF, know exactly who sent that pigeon?
If we speak of this incident that has been reported in the Khatmaria area of the Araspura sector of the Jammu international border, the Indo-Pakistan international border, it is in the forward post of the BSF that this pigeon was recovered, after which the agency swung into the action. Jammu and Kashmir police was informed by the border security force of this incident taking place, that a threat letter has been recovered from a rubber band that was tied with the leg of this pigeon, and it reads that the Jammu station IED blast, post which the security has been beefed up. Right now we are outside the Jammu railway station, and here you will see the security beef up that has taken place. Generally also this is one of the vulnerable places, or you can say that the high value asset locations of the Jammu and Kashmir, and that's why a security grid is always intact. But now after this threat, the security mayors, additional security mayors have also been taken by the Jammu and Kashmir police, as well as the GRP, which is responsible for the security of the railways, and the troop, every vehicle that is coming and going by is thoroughly being checked and only then being allowed to move beyond this point. Because see, thousands and thousands of pilgrims on daily basis, they travel via train from this very railway station. So now this Jammu station IED threat, the possible threat that this page has that has been recovered from the this pigeon's right leg tied with a rubber that reads, and also the other two slogans that were there that were detrimental to the sovereignty of the country, that are really concerning for the security forces. And that is why what we have witnessed, that how the security forces have swung into the action. We are told that the police station, the police has also taken a note of this incident. A daily diary report has already been written in the Araspura, and also the investigations are underway. This is being done to ensure that the whosoever is sending this pigeon, because its route cannot be tracked, that is for sure, because it was not a digital device that can be tracked back to its roots. So it has to be alertness that need to be followed, and that is what we are witnessing here at the Jammu Tawi railway station, where the security has been beefed up after this threat from the pigeon has come up with the BSF authorities that have informed Jammu and Kashmir police, and now an alertness is being maintained round the clock.
That's right. And if you could help our viewers understand whether this is the first incident, is this the first incident, Gursimran, of pigeons being caught like this, carrying messages, or we have seen this before?
If I recall properly, there was an incident in the Kathua. It was a couple of years ago, but it was nothing that it was carrying a threat letter. A pigeon was caught. It was having a ring with the Pakistani number. So it was but obvious, because what these those who actually keep these pigeons, they actually tie a band with their legs, so that if they go somewhere, they can be informed of the same. But this is the first instance that we have seen in Jammu and Kashmir where a pigeon has been caught with a threat level, with a threat letter, and death threat stating that Jammu station ID blast. So it cannot be that it is a out of blue, but it seems to be a deliberate attempt. The message has been sent. Whether it is a true threat that is going to take place, that is cannot be said at this given point of time. But yes, there has been a threat that has been found, and now the security forces are maintaining a high level of alertness when it comes to the railway security.
Okay, that's right. I thank you for those details, good Simran. I will be, in fact, we will be getting our viewers more updates. Now, the picture you see on your screen is that pigeon which has been caught. This is a pigeon with an ID blast threat note which was attached to it near the Indo-Pakistan international border. The BSF caught this pigeon and there was a paper tied to its leg. The paper tied to pigeon's leg reads, Jammu station ID blast. Jammu Kashmir police was informed of this threat by BSF after this pigeon was caught. All right, let's move ahead right now to some of the stories tracking from trade to geopolitics.